Hey everybody, I'm Montana Guy, bringing you another video, kind of a do-it-yourself video. I did buy one of these from Dave Canberry a few months ago. When you do buy them, they don't come with a sheath at all. And I mean, this thing is like wicked sharp, so I'm just going to make a little piece here that I'm going to cut out, that way I can just wrap it around this and have some string to go with it. If you're wondering where to get this stuff, what you can actually do is you can actually go to your local leather place. They sell scraps of this stuff, and that's what this was, just a scrap piece. And I figured it would fit this pretty well. I just got to cut it to my length that I want. And yeah, I mean, they sell pieces of string too. They sell quite a bit of little goodies at your local leather shop. And so we'll go ahead and get this started. I'm gonna, this leather, I think it was called like chap leather or something like that. It's just really easy to cut. You can use a knife, like a Opinel number 8. You can use one of these to cut it. In fact, you could actually use these little scissors if you really wanted to. They cut it pretty well too. Oops, I can't even see it. Use these, they work pretty well. But you know, I just love my blades so much that I want to cut it with this. If you all haven't noticed, this is my LT Wright Genesis. I absolutely love this knife. And the nice thing about this project is you don't need to make it look perfect. It's just to wrap that up. I mean, it doesn't need to look pretty. It's just going to be in your backpack. So we'll go ahead and kind of figure out what we want for width wise. It'll be about the size of this board. So, so we'll go ahead and figure out where we want it. Actually, I'm going to color it because I like coloring. It's so fun. And no, you don't need one of these. I just happen to have this in the shed, so I figured out that way I can get a decent cut here. And like I said, it's not going to have any beauty contest or win any beauty contest. Anything like that. So and I really don't care if this looks perfect or not. I'm just kind of having fun with it. This is my second do-it-yourself project that I've ever done with this sort of thing. First one was the I guess I'll put it closer so you guys can see. How about that? Look how sharp that is. I love it. LT Wright, I can't thank you enough for making these knives. That's a wicked sharp knife. So see, it's nothing fancy. Also, I could probably use this if I want it gets up enough for the fire too. So I guess it's multi-purpose if I really want it to be. So we're done using the LT right, so I'll go ahead and put it back in its home. Next I'll be using my Craftsman knife. It's got an awl in here. So I'm not making it try to look pretty or anything like that. So, as you can tell, I have zero training in leather. This is all just first time foreplay with this kind of thing. So I do apologize if I'm doing everything incorrectly. Okay. Next, I will stick this piece of leather in here. Maybe. Maybe, baby, oh yeah. Maybe, baby. It's getting in there. There. Look at that, all from an all. All from an all, y'all, is that how you Texans say it, y'all? How's it going, y'all? Y'all mean? So now I'm just making a knot just big enough that it won't go through the hole, because I really don't want that to happen. So hopefully the knot will outlast the rope or the piece of leather, whatever we want to have the technical name for it. So we'll go ahead and see how this works. Yeah, I think it'll work just fine. I did the knot the wrong way, but that's alright. Like I said, it's not supposed to be a beauty contest. So, anyways, let's do that. There. Voila, now I got something to protect my backpack with this. It's nothing pretty. It's just kind of on the fly, I guess you'd say. Do it yourself, easy project. So thank you all for watching. I do apologize if this is a lengthy video. It's just one of those things I always wanted to try making, so I was able to with my time that I have home here. So again, what I use is just leather, some of the leather cord, an awl, and then a knife to cut it to specification that I wanted. So again, thank you all for watching. Take care, stay safe, and enjoy the woods. Take care.